G'day, Matt. It's Will Aitken here from Sources. I'm in the middle of some research and I think you might be able to help me. Would you have a moment?
What's the topic?
Sources. We partner with a few utilities companies and a few larger insurance companies to
Uh-huh.
offer sewer line protection plans to their customers. My boss, essentially, he had a hunch, a hypothesis, shall we say, that home warranty companies would probably also be a worthwhile partner for us to speak to. But
Yeah.
we don't even know the first place to start here. So I thought, given that you've been in the space for a while, you might be able to point me in the right direction or validate that idea a little bit.
Yeah, so you're looking to offer a home warranty protection plan to utility customers.
Currently, that's where most of our business is done. The customers of utilities,
Yeah.
so the homeowners themselves. Because
Yeah.
generally that sewer line protection isn't included in most standard home insurance. So it's a nice add-on to the utility offering, or in some cases the insurance offering, which is why I thought
Yeah.
home warranty might be a good space for that as well. But what do you think?
Absolutely. So I'm the CEO of warranty. We're nationwide. We're in about 95% of the U.S. population. We're not in every zip code, but we're in a lot of the main states and where the population is. We sell home warranties through the real estate transaction right now, and just direct consumer marketing, SEO, SEM, TV, radio, direct mail. Absolutely. In fact, I just had a conversation about this with another utility opportunity yesterday. So, yeah, absolutely. It makes a lot of sense.
Okay, so that's very validating. Thank you. So
You're talking to the right guy. I've been in the industry for over 30 years.
so knowing that is exactly what we offer, do you think it would be worthwhile having a more in-depth conversation about potential partnerships and ways that you could maybe bundle what we have in easily with maybe some of the partnerships, or even it sounds like that VP of Business Development is probably having a lot of similar conversations to what my boss is having.
Let me do this. I'm actually in Minneapolis right now. I'm just about ready to step into a lunch meeting.
Okay.
Let me give you cell phone number.
So what I'll do is I'll give Steve a call and say that you and I had a brief conversation, and it'd probably be more up his wheelhouse, so he can tell me if it makes sense to chat more.
Yeah, and let him know that I was very intrigued and wanted to continue the dialogue going. And then him and I have an update meeting, and I'll touch base with him on it as well.
I really appreciate it, Matt. Thank you ever so much, and enjoy your lunch. Hopefully we'll talk again in the future.
Thank you.